The Cardmate is a manual business card slitter designed for short-run applications of standard 2 by 3.5 business cards. Using business card template software that is readily available, you can print your own custom business cards 10 up on an 8.5/11 sheet of paper. The Cardmate will work with a wide variety of card, cover, or index stock. Generally, if the paper will run through your black and white or color copier or laser printer, it will run through the Cardmate. Setup is easy. Simply place your 10 up sheet of paper 8.5 inch side forward, put it into the rear slot on the Cardmate. You'll notice on the Cardmate there are adjustments to adjust for your margin setting. Put your sheet into the machine and simply turn the crank. You then get two sheets 11 inches by 3.5 inches. From there, take one of these sheets, place it into the forward slot on the Cardmate, and here again you have adjustments for your margin settings. Set your margin settings and turn your crank, and you're left with a perfect 2 by 3.5 business card. An important thing on the Cardmate is to only cut one sheet of paper at a time. Cutting more than one sheet of paper at a time will damage the unit, so that is a very important thing to keep in mind. This standard business card cutter will cut roughly about 60 cards in 60 seconds. No power required, and works with all standard business card programs.